How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get the $100 Lyft promo code. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing first, open up your device. After that, you just need to go up to a browser. Open any of the browser that is available for your device. I'm gonna open this one right here and simply search for a Lyft promo code. After that, you'll get a bunch of links here. You just need to look up for one of the links, and there just enter the link and look for the link that has $100 off. So I'm just gonna go here, and here you may get many offers, and here you can see $1,000, $100. So what you need to do is simply hit up for the $100 one. Let's say this is the $100 one right now. So just look up for that, and after that you just need to redeem this code. And when you tap on this redeem at Lyft, it will redirect you to another page of Lyft, and there you may use the 100% off on your next ride. So therefore, just follow the steps, and you should be able to get the $100 off on your Lyft promo code. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.